Perez for 2.
Tom, kita ka, Tom. Kita ka.
Number 30, number 77. Number 3. Not good.
Box tayo.
Number Perez, number 10, Ray Dimaran. Drop pass, 14, number 13.
Box tayo, box out.
Uy, nakukuha na sa ano, sa Tingguya.
15 seconds to shoot.
Nagano na ako yung Guya.
Number 37, no.
Sina. Balik, balik to. Right.
15 is it. Number 43.
Dom, Dom. Defense, goal.
Cross by ball, number 11. Number 2. Number 77. Number 13. Number 13 for 2. Finish it. 2 points for Ron Sullivan.
2 points.
Number 67. Number 2. Finish it. Yabba. 6-4. 27 for 2.
4 na ito. 4.
Finish it. 10 is it. Number 1, number 13, Angel, rebound, out of bounds. All right, let's go. Tanggal na. Number 2, 15 seconds to shoot. 53, no. 14. So Perez. And there's a foul from number 2.
Sino pa?
Number 0 pa number 1.
Sino number? Sino foul ka? 11. Di ba 10 to ba?
Who's foul, rep?
Number 11. Dalawa basket.
2 shots, 2 baskets.
11.
Mr. Perez. Number 31. Mr. Saluman. Number 11 behind the point player. Number 77. Let's go. No. 2 points, number 2. Banana rating. 2 shots.
Coach.
Number 2. There is number 8, number 10. Okay, change time. Change time for teams. Alright, for teams. All players, please not dito kayo ha. Let's go. Right go. Number 25, number 4. Let's go. Number 13, number 12. Finish it. Finish it. Big finish it. Nice pass. High-low pass. High-low play. 2 points. Number 15. Number 15. Big finish it. Intercepted by Bala. Big finish it.
Coach Mike. Thumbs up na upuan.
God, can you put 2 chairs on your below? Both sides.
Big finish it. That was a violation for Team Bosnia. Big finish, Master Perfect. 11 seconds to shoot. Master number 12. Right? Intercepted. Long pass, intercepted by Team Crossfight. Number 4, side step. Number 4.
On 16.
Number 33, Bosnia. Good clean shoot. Number 91. Can shoot. There's a foul. Foul to begin on number 20. 2 shots.
Two out of 2.
2 out of 2 for Mr. Number 15. Number 15, 53. Nope. Foul committed number 12.
Jughead.
Foul time for number 91. Foul number 3.
ESPN.
Oras. Balik mo.
2 points.
Copy. Hanggang 9:30 na ba tayo? 9:30 ang booking na sinabi niya. Oh yeah!
Penalty! Team Frostbite, penalty.
Sinong foul kanina? 20, no?
There was a foul committed by number 20, so it's penalty. 2 shots.
Tatlo na sa 20, no? ESPN.
20.
Third.
Frostbite player number
Third foul.
20. That's your third personal foul. Number 13, number 20, number 4.
ESPN.
No. Number 4. Transition. Number 4. Put back, number 7. 8 seconds to play. And that's it for our first quarter.
Samahan niyo kami din eh. Samahan niyo ko kami din eh. May hope. Okay po. Samahan niyo ko kami.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
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 Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. I am the original since 2017. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami.
Number 13. Intercepted. Number 77, Frostbite. White ball. Ozio. He should. No. Number 77. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 18, Ken. Number 18, 3 points. Foul committed on number 7, 2 shots.
Lolo, luwag siya dyan, punta ka!
One second. Number 18, 53, no? Number 77, crossbite. Jumper, not good. Number 11. Not good. No pass, number 7. 14.
Yung bumagal na nakashoot eh, no? Nakashoot, bumagal sa magpo.
Second personal foul. The steal. Number 77 for the score. 60 seconds.
Jo, tinan mo yung mismatch.
Number 19.
Sa mismatch mo bigyan
Foul
mo.
number 19. Crossbite. Another foul committed by number 11.
Jolo, bigyan mo ng bola. Bigyan mo ng bigyan.
Second team foul. Still by number 11. Number 7. And double foul was called.
7.
Number 7, Ozil. Number 19, on team crossbite. That was a double foul. 17 seconds to shoot for team crossbite. He finishes. Number 77 for Green.
27 on.
There was a foul committed by number 19, blocking foul. That was a warning for penalty for team crossbite. 2 shots for Mr. Perez.
Hindi, tsaka yung tayo niya. Delikado yun. Lumot?
Starting score is 28 versus 27. 2 shots completed by number 10, Mr. Perez. Two shots, bumahan. Cross by ball, number 7. 77, 23. Looking for Mr. Perez. Until soon. Up. Offensive foul. On number 10. Change side right, guys. Both teams. Change back.
Anong sneaker of the
5 now. Standing score 33-27. Boston leads game.
Bro, we need to charge the camera. Huh? Oh, we need to use that.
Ano yun? Ano yung referee?
All right, let's go. Number 20. No, not good. Rebound by number 7. Shoot.
Last game, this one.
Number 30 or 2.
Sinasabi niya itong oras na.
But the time is, bro.
Kausapin niya na, hindi ko na.
Last game, but the quarter is still 2. So maybe around 35 minutes. 10 o'clock.
10 shoot.
10:30.
3 seconds violation. Or positive.
29. 33-29.
Nice pass by Sayo. 33-19. Number 19. Nope. Number 19. Pass to number 7. 15 seconds to shoot. Move up on side. Number 4. Seconds to shoot. And 2 points for number 8. Number 4. 15 to shoot. Number 12 to number 35. Number 3. No. Number 15. Final pass. Time out.
Novinha safada relaxando, vai na pica safada sem vergonha, vai sentando na pica doida de maconha. Presta atenção, o bagulho é doidão. lava sa puta chicana sa foda.
Ngayon? Who's injury? Who's injured? Which number? 20. 20? Okay.
Pero hindi na siya makakalaro sabihin mo. Hindi siya makakalaro.
He can come
Pwede talaga
back.
mailabas kapag injured. Pwede siya magabalik. Pwede siya magabalik. Yeah.
Just change.
You can change.
Boss, may injury time sa kanila. Lalabas muna natin yung safety lang.
Sige lang.
Okay lang. Hindi okay pag hindi lang hanap. Okay lang yun?
Pwede yun. Pwede bumalik yun. Pero hindi within quarter. Sa susunod.
Let's go!
Mahirap mag-explain na yan.
Number 5, number 13, 15 is shoot. Number 13, second three, no. Rebound. What is it? Number 12, back to number 13, pass. Number 35, no. On the ball. 1-2. Batang for three.
Very smooth.
Bonus time, 24 seconds to play. 15 seconds to play. 10. 5.
Second quarter, ya?
Ito.
Sabi mo kasi may tinatawag siyang papuputay nito maglaro. Oo, may gusto maglaro.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Sherwin Abubakar, your ENT specialist here in Al-Safa Medical Polyclinic. I'd love to share something really important with you today, your hearing. Hearing helps us connect with the world. It lets us enjoy life and stay aware of what's around us. But hearing loss can happen slowly without us noticing. At Al-Safa Medical Polyclinic, we offer comprehensive ENT consultations, including ear endoscopy. This quick and painless procedure helps us identify issues like infections, earwax buildup, and other abnormalities early on. We also perform audiometry, a critical test to measure your ability to hear different frequencies. It's essential for diagnosing hearing loss and recommending the right treatment or interventions such as hearing aids. Your hearing matters, and we're here to help you protect it. That's why we're excited to offer a special promotion on our ear and hearing examination services. Whether it's an ear checkup, hearing test, or treatment plan, now is the perfect time to take action. See you at Al-Safa Medical Polyclinic.
Whoever you want. as long as 5 players will play inside. Okay? Tagalog. Yun na yun.
Now you can mix.
Alright, you can mix players.
Third quarter, you can mix player.
Thank you.
Samahan niyo ko kami.
Alright, players. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What's the minute ball?
Orange.
Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula. Samahan niyo po kami sa aming bagong simula.
Bola nila. Ano yung bola nila? That one.
Let's go, third quarter.
Go! Walk it up!
Number 10. Number 10. One pass. Go. Nope. Corner 3, put back. Number 4. 14.
Who's last one? Last game.
One more quarter. Two quarters left.
15.
Sino ba yun?
Yeah, lock up!
Ha?
10 shoot.
Get the ball from him.
5. And the foul given by number 77. Shoot.
Wait yung dalawang team kanina? Kulang lang yung 30 si Barola. Netro na. Parang walang hangover yan na. Ayop na yan.
Pre English.
Number 2. 3 points.
Only 1 point lead by Boss Geo over Frostbite. 46-45. Nice pass!
Pass. 18 to number 10. Connection. Number 2. There was a traveling violation. Called on number 2. Number 1. Division 2 points. Number 43. Second personal foul on number 43. Third team foul.
Warning ba yan? Nakikita ko.
Number 7. Nope. Team foul on number 1. 10 to shoot. 7 to 7. 5 to shoot. Nope. Still, the number 77. Number 2. To finish it. Nope. Rebound by Logo Army. Long pass is ahead. Number 10. 2 points. Cross point, 77. Number 4. Take. 15 shoot, pass to number 11. Number 11, 2 points. Facing 2 for number 77. Number 18, number 31, good finisher. Nope, rebound, number 11. Number 7 moving forward. Number 7 down. Second score is 53-52. Tamang score 53.
Shout out Box 1 Qatar, especially kay Kuya Jan Angelo Romay. God bless Kuya, ingat dyan. See you soon. God bless.
Shoutout sa Box 1 Qatar kala Kuya Angelo Romay. Kita-kits tayo dyan soon. Sana makapasama dyan. Ayun, God bless.
Shoutout nga pala sa Box 1 Qatar, especially kay Kuya John, ang Lorme, congrats ko sa mga...
Ako na lang. Ay!
Number 4. Number 18. Saved by number 18.
Kit.
That is number 10. Number 2.
Jigsaw battle. Palitan ng lamang.
Crossfire, number 77. Number 4. Good finisher. Number 13. Number 3. Number 13. Rebound.
2.8 by Frostbite over Museo. Biglang dumaldal si RJ. Parang may nakitang labanos.
Ay, walang ganun.
Number 4, crossfire. Good finisher. Number 13. To number 77. Up. Saved by number 2. That is it. 5%. Up. Double foul. Double foul.
Shot clock, 2 seconds.
Shot clock 3 seconds.
Reset.
Reset tayo sa may foul. Yes.
Sino mga fouls natin, rep?
14. Yes.
Yung mga foul natin.
11 and sinong foul?
Double foul to the number 7 and number 11. Let's go, 40 seconds to shoot. Number 13. No.
Chai Latte with a miss.
Number 23.
Stolen by Mike. Foul by number 15.
There's a foul committed by number 15.
30 foul.
13 foul.
Na-plug one.
Number 7, come on, Number 7, 2 more.
Game is tied. 56 on.
Big finisher. Number 2, number 3. No. Number 77, 2 more.
Leave with the fadeaway shot.
Fadeaway shot by number 77. Museo, big finisher. Number 7.
Foul by Chai Latte.
By number 13. No. 14 decision. Number 77. No. Number 7. No. Rebound by number 13.
Lee.
77.
All the way. 2 points.
2 points for number 77.
The 4-point lead being enjoyed by Frostbite over Boss Jeo. Perez. 2 points. Reserve time, reserve sub.
Number 4, 15 seconds to shoot. 10. That's a traveling violation. Number 12, substitution. Number 77, 35 feet. Stop. So, 2 minutes to play for our third quarter. You finish it, 7-7. 23 points.
2 points lang, 2 points.
Long 2. Sorry, my bad. There's a long 2.
All 60. Maglang laban. Game 9.
Silent, take number 13.
Nice. Manila!
5.
Sa bakal. Automatic violation. Pasan. All the way. Change favor. Boss Jeo, 62-60. In favor of Boss Jeo.
Asking for screen. Green shoot. Pass number 35, 33. Nope. Steal by number 13. 35. No. 55 seconds to play.
Dom-dom.
Favorite player.
It's a 4-point lead by Boss Jeo. Ish, 3 points! 3 points by Ish.
28 seconds to play. Points, number 7. 15 seconds to play. 10 seconds to shoot.
7.
5.
What a shot by Smike.
Right on time.
Highlights.
That was a highlight. Nice execution.
Sikit tumira eh. Kaso walang spacing na
Let's go!
Olha, pica safada, cê vergonha. Você toda da pica, doidade da boa. Eu sou bom pra mulher dedão. Trava essa puta, fica nessa foda.
Let's go!
Nadiligan kasi.
Good finish it, number 4. Nope. Rebound by number 31, number 33. High low pass. Good finish it. number 7, the 31. 10 shoot. What a block.
Block by Iceman. 6 seconds. Ilang seconds to
6
shoot?
seconds to play.
6. Solid.
Number 2.
Nice pass. That's for 3.
Rebound. There was a foul. Anong number? Foul holding, number 31. Right. Number 2, number 3, no. Take number 1. Big deal, shoot. No. Number 7, sumamadali. Another block by number 1.
Sab ba?
Substitution.
Ginawa ka ni Papi kasi mahulog talaga siya.
Number 7 was just holding to save himself from hitting his head on the floor. Guys, let's relax. Let's just enjoy the night.
Sab.
Substitution.
Bakit, Dom? Saan pupunta?
Dom, shot mo na, Dom!
Dom, saan pupunta, Dom?
Dom, shot mo na!
Eh, wala up shooting? Wala up shooting?
Wala. 8 seconds.
Block pala. Sabay, Dom! 4-point lead, 70-76.
31.
Number 11.
Foul committed on number 11. 2 shots. Warning. 4.
Graduation, 4 fouls?
4 personal foul on number 11. Mat, hintayin mo, Mat. Picture ka, Mat.
Ice pack, 4 fouls.
Pause, Mat, ha? It's fine.
Yes. At least it's the fourth quarter.
Substitution.
2 out of 2. Minutes and 50 seconds remaining.
Shooting for number 1. Big finish to number 2. 7 seconds. There was a foul.
Substitution.
Foul committed on Dom. Substitution.
ESPN in, ice pack out.
10 seconds to shoot.
Iceman.
Oh, rebound by
Back.
Put back. Hey, number 77. Papadali, back. Seventeen seconds. What's here? Number 2. Take the play. Number 2.
Sa 7-point lead by Frostbite over Brazil.
Brazil, 15 seconds. Shoot. Dunk. Dunk for 2.
5-point lead. Frostbite over Brazil.
Number 77.
Time out.
Brazil.
timeouts brought to you by Alzheimer.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. I'm Dr. Sherwin Abubakar, your ENT specialist.
Our fourth quarter, 8.8 for team cross five. Good finishing. Got the way in 10. 5 shoot. Number 15, 2 points. Number 4, Spike. 33. Not good.
Airball.
Stop.
That's the shot.
Stop. 31 out, number 18.
Lari ka lumano!
15 is good. And shoot. Number 15 for 2.
A 4-point lead.
5 minutes, 20 seconds for fourth quarter. Number 1, 2 points. 2-point jumper for number 1. Number 4, layup for number 4, 2 points. Number 77, post five. Pass over 20.
Traveling.
And it's a traveling violation. Number 10. Harris. No. Rebound. Number 8. There's a foul.
Number 20.
Foul call on number 20, post five. Number 20, post five.
ESPN, 4 fouls.
4 foul. 4 personal foul. 14 seconds.
Said 4 fouls? Yeah, ESPN.
Number 15. No. Rebound number 4, post five. 2, number 77.
On the pass.
2 points. Foul. Foul number 20. Bonus shot. Basket. Substitution.
Graduate 20.
Number 20. 5th personal foul. Replaced by number 11.
Apat na rin yan.
Number 11 is a final 4th personal. This is the 4th. No. Number 11, intercepted. Pass number 1 to number 2, 23. Number 2, number 3. Number 18.
Nice. Good deal.
No, we move to number 1, so number 4, number 11. No.
Double dribble.
Tama rin, Dom. Dalawang tagay.
Mark, sino sneaker? Si Lamelo?
Ito mahaba, oh.
Pacquiao?
Oh! Number 4, number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Rebound by number 10.
Gom.
15.
Lasik pala.
11. Number 11, 2 points. Number 8, 2 points. Number 8.
Huwag na ng kogi. Iba naman. Classic naman.
A superstar?
15 seconds to shoot.
Lamelo!
White ball. Number 4.
2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes. And there's a foul. Committed by number 18, Mr. Maranan. 2 shots.
15 daw.
15. Sorry, 15 Santiago. Warning for penalty, both teams. Oras natin, 1 minute and 54 seconds to play.
94-78.
Good D. Number 4, with number 18, down. No? Number 4, number 11, finish it. Number 11, 2 points. Number 18. Number 18, number 2, from Mr. Maranan. Plus 1,
1 minute and 14.
1 minute and 40 seconds to play.
16.8.
There's a foul committed on number 18, Dom.
Penalty.
Penalty, guys.
First shot, no good.
First shot, not good.
Chenai.
0 out of 2.
Both shots not good.
Maranan. For 3.
No. Rebound by number 1, first time. Number 4. 55 seconds to play. Number 4. No, rebound by number 7, Perez.
There you go.
Perez.
Pass to number 18, no. And there's a foul. By number 1. Penalty, 2 shots.
2 shots for Dom Dom.
Lagyan natin ang sound.
Yeah, Dom, yes. Dom. Hey, Dom, ha?
Dim Dim.
Shots to OC. Dom, wait lang, Dom. Picture lang na. Dom, wait lang.
Ay.
Kaso, 2 shots.
Mamadali.
Oh.
30 seconds to play, 15 to shoot. 10 to shoot. This is Frostbite. 5. Up. 12 seconds to play. 10.
Congratulations, Frostbite.
Congratulations, both teams, for a good fight. Frostbite, congratulations to each and everyone.